Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to reset network preferences. And to get started, you want to open up Settings. From here, you want to navigate to Connection and Sharing. Scroll down where you find Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Network, and Bluetooth. And in here, you can tap on Reset Settings. Now, before you do, I do warn you that this will reset all these provided here connections. Meaning that, for instance, for Wi-Fi, you will disconnect from all the Wi-Fis you are connected to, and the passwords for them will be forgotten, so you will need to reinsert them to basically reconnect to those. Mobile data, well, that means literally nothing. The moment it resets, it disconnects and then automatically reconnects, so nothing really happens. And then Bluetooth devices also basically unpairs from every Bluetooth device you have been connected to and just forgets the device. So anyway, let's progress by tapping on Reset Settings. Now this will disconnect me from Wi-Fi right now. So there we go. And that's about it. Network settings have been reset. So we're now completely finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.